Om Namo Narayanaaya. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. This auspicious month of Margazhi, we from Samatva Academy wish to present to you the Tirupavai. Tirupavai is a set of 30 pasurams which is composed by Sri Andal, the only female Alvar or poetess amongst the 12 Alvars who composed 4000 Divya Prabandhas. Periyalvar or Vishnu Chittan, who was performing Malakainkaryam, that is, making garlands for the presiding deity of Lord Vadapatrashayi, was yearning for a child and prayed to the Lord for the same. On the day of Adipuram, when Periyalvar was picking Tulsi for the Lord in his Tulsi garden, he found a girl child as an answer to his prayers. He named the child Kodai as she was a gift from Mother Earth. Kodai, who was brought up and educated by Periyalvar, grew up to be an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. She was in charge of Malakainkaryam and after making the garland would wear it in front of the mirror to test its beauty for the Lord and only then send it to the temple to be worn to the idol. Periyalvar, who later found it, remonstrated her, following which the Lord appeared in Periyalvar's dream and says that he can accept the garland only if Andal wore it first. Thus, Andal also gets the name Sudi Kodutha Nachiyar and Sudi Kodutha Sudarkodi. The Lord also said, Ennai Andale Andal, meaning Andal is the one who rules me. Hence, Kodai begets the name Andal. Periyalvar realizes that Kodai is none other than the avatar or reincarnation of Bhuma Devi or Bhumi Pirati, the consort of Lord himself. Later, it is said that the Lord himself appeared as a Kurati and instructs Andal to observe a vrata, a ritual in the month of Margazhi for 30 days, rising in the morning before sunrise in Brahma Muhurtam, keeping the house and surroundings clean, decorating the entrance with koolam and mango leaves torana, singing in praise of the Lord and visiting the temple to get his darshan. During this vrata, she should not give importance to her appearance, neither grant food nor utter or indulge in evil, following which she could marry her love, the Lord. Andal conveys this through her 30 pasurams of Tirupavai. At the end of this, she is said to have reunited or merged with Lord Rangamannar, the avatar of Lord Vishnu, and we can find her today as a consort of the Lord in Andal Rangamannar Tirukkovil in Srivilliputturu. In Tamil literature, Andal's Tirupavai plays a major role. In Tamil, Thiru refers to the Lord Narayana and Pavai refers to the ritual or vrata. This is followed in the month of Margazhi, that is winter in India, when practically growth is lesser and every living being tends to go into a slumber or deep sleep. At the wake of civilization, during the 7th or 8th century, Andal urges every human being to follow this discipline or vrata to enhance themselves physically, spiritually, and to activate the mental ability to be agile against the slowing down process of nature, following which she says the Lord Narayana will grant us boon or parai. Benefits of the vrata with scientific perception. In the month of Margazhi, rising early in the morning and bathing with turmeric water is cleaning ourselves with antiseptic which destroys the harmful bacteria. Decorating the entrance of houses with mango leaves toran, which gives us pure air and oxygen to breathe along with the aesthetic sense. It is proved that mango leaves emit oxygen even after 2 days after they have been plucked. Decorating house entrance with kolam or rangoli with rice powder, which would serve as food to the ants, and the turmeric would keep them from entering the house. The kolam not only gives an appealing mind, inspiring the artistic sense, but also develops the geometrical knowledge of shapes, knots, and more, attracting positive energy. Lighting lamps to keep away harmful insects and to keep the surrounding bright. Education and performances happen in temples, which serve as powerhouses which exhibit science, knowledge, socialism, sculpture, and arts. Singing the praise of the Lord keeps us away from saying or doing anything evil, which enhances our language, pronunciation, and breath control and positive vibrations. Offering the simple yet the nutritious Naivedyam, Venpongal and Sakrai Pongal, also marking the beginning of the harvest festival Pongal in the following month of Thai. Hereby, we in our future videos are to present to you Tirupavai explanation, Tirupavai Pasuram as in Seva Kalam style by Koil Kandadai Annan Sri Rangaraja Bhattar. The learning of Tirupavai by S. Ayush. Tirupavai meaning by Koil Kandadai Annan Sri Rangaraja Bhattar. Tirupavai Pasurams rendered by our teachers T.K. Sujit, Harini Rangarajan, C. Lakshmi, A.S. Shyamlal and T.P. Shashikumar and student B. Mritula Malini. Thus, we dedicate to our parents, gurus, the Lord and you all, hoping to share our rich culture, tradition and heritage with as many generations as possible. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.